We are at Milan Design Week. This second part of the 3-part series will explore what some of the fashion brands were up to during Milan Design Week. Starting at Hermès. The luxury brand collaborated with the architect and designer Charlotte McCall-Perelman for the backdrop of its Homeware collection. She created bold concrete plinths alongside angular iron rods on which the products were displayed. Bottega Veneta transformed one of its stores into an immersive, resin-covered draped installation titled Vieni Vedere, meaning come and see. The cave-like experience was created by Gaetano Besce and showcased his handbag design at the end of the tunnel. We are at Loewe's showcase, and of course you can expect to see some amazing craftsmanship here. The exhibition focuses on the chair that artisans from all over the world were invited to elevate through craftsmanship. The playful mushroom stools form the center of the installation. Issey Miyake explored material innovation with collaborators to explore the future of clothing by creating shape-shifting materials that can be transformed from a flat piece into a 3D shape. hosts Louis Vuitton's launch event and will be exploring its Objects Nomad exhibition. The house selected designers that embody its vision for creativity, functionality and innovation. The Pavillon Nomad was created by New York-based French architect Marc Faune. The structure is composed of thin aluminium panels and form this stunning organic piece. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned to check out part 3 of the Fuorisalone series.